I'm Ed Blackbird. I'm the Managing Director of Deal Direct Blinds in Gateshead. We manufacture bespoke window blinds, so that's a full range of verticals, rollers, Venetians and plantation shutters. Made Smarter Adoption Northeast helped us greatly to buy this state-of-the-art automated micro-pneumatic cutter machine. This has been amazing. Everything in here is automated, so the guys use a barcode which inputs all the information and the machine then just takes the whole process over. We're thrilled since taking delivery of this machine that it's given us a 30% improvement in production and reduced mistakes almost down to zero. It's been an absolute pleasure working with Made Smarter Adoption Northeast, who've made things very simple and easy for us. We'll certainly be using them again.